Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will talk about Zoom workplace. Okay, now if you are facing any slowness issues or any setting related issues and you are not sure how to fix it, then simply use two solutions. First is click here in mode, three dots, reset to default. This will reset in all the settings and it will make it as initial. First thing, and second, you can reinstall the application. Okay, and if you are still not sure, and sometimes the Zoom is consuming on your high resources while working on meetings, so you can review what exactly resources are being consumed. So you can just click on the settings, go to statics, and you can see here CPU utilization overall and memory utilization overall. So currently you can see Zoom workplace is consuming 518 MB memory, and overall CPU is 14%. Sometimes it is coming back, so it's a very sequential, and it is moving every time, so it's depending on the requirement. Okay, so this is how you can maintain and verify everything from the Zoom. And if you still have any query and concern, ping me in the video comment section. I will help you out. And if you like the video, kindly do subscribe, share, and hit like button. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.